Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to start an online business with no money in 2019. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell because that will notify you every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So, with that being said, let's get right into it and how to start an online business with absolutely no money for 2019. So, the very first thing, if you're broke, you just want to start a business, the very first thing that you want to do is you want to start to create some YouTube videos. You can also do this with a blog, but blogging will cost you a little bit of money. So if you do have a little bit of money, you can do that with a blog. But on this video, what I want to talk about is how to do this for absolutely free until you get some money. So, you do this, you start to create some valuable YouTube videos around the subject that you actually enjoy. Don't make YouTube videos about something that you don't care about because you won't be able to do this for very long and it will take you some time. So if you're just wondering how to make quick money, this is not the video for you and you can shut the video down right now because that doesn't exist and you should probably try and find a job. But if you really want to make some money online, you want to start by making YouTube videos. So make YouTube videos about something that you really enjoy. It doesn't matter what it is, just make sure that there are other people in your niche because you don't want to be at the top of your game, be the best one in your niche and have just one other person that's interested in that. How do you tell if someone's interested? If people are interested, there'll be a ton of competition. If there's no competition, don't do it. If there is competition, you should probably absolutely do it. So I know it doesn't sound good to a lot of people, like a lot of people think that competition is a bad thing. Competition is the best thing that you can do. If there's no competition, there's no point in starting a business, okay? So you want to make YouTube videos around something that you can teach and there are other people in your niche teaching. I'm talking about how to make money online. There are tons of other channels like that. And yes, this is probably one of the most competitive ones. You can go for a less competitive one. But the important thing is that there are other people that are doing the same thing and that you are interested. If there's one of these two things that doesn't work, then start trying to find something else. So some things that you can do, for example, are reviewing some products. Reviewing products is a very good thing because you can make some money quite fast. I'm not saying that it's going to be in your first video, but you can make some money pretty fast. So if you review tech products, for example, as I said, there's a ton of competition on that. People reviewing headphones, people reviewing computers, and all that stuff, people reviewing phones. All these things have a lot of competition because there's some money to be made. So if you want to do that, what you do is you post some affiliate links in the description. Now, how do you get affiliate links? If you are trying to sell physical products, for instance, if you're reviewing things, the best way to do this if you're just starting out is Amazon. So just go to Amazon Associates, just type that in Google. You'll end up in their affiliate program. You just have to sign up. It's 100% free. You're not spending any money. All you're doing is just signing up to their affiliate program. So after that, they'll give you a link which you can paste in the description and tell people in your videos that if they want this product, if they're interested, but there's the link in the description where they can buy it. So it's not going to be more expensive for them. It's just very easy. And if they buy it from that link, Amazon will know it's you and they will post something for you. And they'll give you a commission. Amazon are not the only ones doing this. There are plenty of other companies. So if you can't find what you're looking for on Amazon, there's a good chance that there are some other places. There's ClickBank as well, but we'll get into that later because that's another step forward. So find something that you can sell. Amazon is the best way to start. If your product is not available on Amazon, then just try and find something else. So with doing that all the time, because you will have to post videos all the time, it's not going to be very easy, very quick. It will take some time, but after a while you will start to make some money. You'll start making 50 bucks, then more, then 100, then 300, and so on. And once you start to get some money, you don't want to spend that money, because spending that money will just let you stay where you are, and you're not going to make very much money unless you have a ton of followers. But there is a better way to make some money. So this is the first part. This is how you're going to start to make the money that you're going to need to invest back into your business. Okay? So don't spend any money if you're doing that. The next step is you want to start creating an email list. And this is why I was saying that you need to invest your money, because creating an email list is going to cost you a little bit of money. It's not going to be that expensive. And then you need an autoresponder. So if you do that with GetResponse and ClickFunnels, it's going to cost you about $100 a month. So if you're already making $100 a month, it won't be a big deal. So you start to create an email list. So how do you do that? You are already teaching things. So you're going to write an ebook telling people, okay, I'm going to teach you a bit more in this ebook, and this ebook is going to be 100% free. All you have to do is click the link in the description, and that link in the description, instead of being an affiliate link where you're losing everyone, because you have to keep in mind that if you're sending people to an affiliate link and they don't buy anything, then you don't have them anymore. So that's why you want to create an email list once you're making a bit of money. So what you do is you send them to a landing page or a squeeze page. It doesn't matter what you want to call it, it's the same thing. So on that landing page, what they do is they have to enter the email and possibly the name. It doesn't matter, it's up to you whether you want to collect their names or not. Most people don't do that. All you have to do is just collect their emails, but you can collect their names as well. So they enter their email and you send them an ebook. And don't worry, it's not going to take you a ton of time, because it does this automatically. So as soon as they enter the email, they're getting that ebook for free. So now you have their email and they are on your email list. And that's the most powerful thing that any business can have, is an email list. So now you have an email list, and what you're going to do is you're going to promote some products. You're not only going to promote some products, you're also going to send some value, because you want to build some trust with people, but you are going to promote some products. So instead of having them directly in your YouTube videos, you have them in your email list and you can follow up with them. So if they don't buy it the first time, which most likely they won't, you can send them again and again and again, and after a while, a lot of people will buy from you. Not everyone will buy from you, but some people will. And you can also send them to different offers that might suit them better. And the powerful thing about this is somebody that's already bought from you is the best customer you can have. It's not the new ones, because the new ones haven't bought from you. It's the people that have already bought from you. So if they buy from your email list, you can send them again. But if you send them from your link in the description, like we were doing at the beginning of this video, to get the first few sales, then you're not going to be able to send them any more offers, because they're just gone. They're Amazon's customer, not yours. So you want to have your customer as well. And what you can do now that you have that email list, is you can send them to higher ticket offers, because sending them to a high ticket, like, it's going to be very hard to do when you have them in the description. But if you have them in your email list, you can have a video of you between your email list and your offer, which you will be able to explain why they should buy this product and how it will help them. Obviously, you want to have a product that's in your niche that suits your clients, because otherwise nobody will buy from you. But if you have a product that's very interesting to your potential clients, then it's a very good way to do it, because people will still see you and then they will be able to buy that product from you. And once you have done that, all you have to do is continue to create YouTube videos and send people to that landing page. You've created everything. There's nothing more that you need to do. All you need to do is you send people to that email list and then promote some products to them. So that's exactly how you can scale from $0 to $100,000 a month, $1 million even. Some people are doing $1 million a year, even more than that, 2 million, 3 million. It doesn't matter. It really depends on your product. So you don't even have to have a product. All you're doing is affiliate marketing. Obviously, you can do that with your own products as well, but affiliate marketing is really hands-free. You don't have to deal with your customers, nothing like that. All is dealt with by the company. So this was the blueprint to how you can make money with no money starting off in 2019 and beyond. It doesn't matter if you're watching this video in 2050, it will probably still be relevant. So with that being said, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, because I've got more content with more value to come. So you don't want to miss that out. Also hit that notification bell, because that will notify you every time I put a video out. And also be sure to leave a comment and leave me a like, because I always enjoy that. It really helps me out. It really helps me rank the video. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.